So I know old school people are gonna be like super disappointed and mad at me. They're gonna be like, oh my gosh, she's using a machine to make tamales. Yes, queen. Works. I have this big old thing of tri-tips. I think there's like about 5 in here, the big papa ones. So I have to process these, make them to carne molida or ground beef, some strips and stuff, you know, to meal prep for Josiah and for a video that I have planned for you guys. We also have some chicken here that we also prep. Not just that, guys, we got a lot of going on in the kitchen. So I'm also in the process of making tamales. I cooked my pork last night, so I have it sitting here cooling off because I don't want to work with hot pork because I don't want to burn my fingers. And then we're gonna cook the chicken. We also have the masa over here that we're gonna start to get ready, but that's probably gonna be till like later on because I give myself way too many tasks, because the task today was only to make tamales, and then now I started meal prepping, then I started processing beef, then I am hungry because I just got out of the gym, so I need lunch. There's a lot going on. I also want to go to the skating, there's like a skating ring around here, so I wanted to do that too. Hopefully I finish on time. And then I have Jose, and hold on, I'll show you guys. We have baby Joseph popping. What are you doing, baby?
I'm popping.
What? Wow! He's popping lots of pops. Stomping with boots. With the fur. All right, guys, so there's been change of plans. It started raining, so we can't go to the, where did I say we were going? We're gonna go either do some type of skating or doing the winter wonderland thingy where you go to go see the lights and everything, but you have to walk, so we can't go because it's raining. So instead, we're gonna go on ahead and start making some tamales. I have my help here. His name is Joseph. Wow, my baby. This is his favorite thing to do. No, they're not potatoes. They are tomatillos. Tomatillos. Wow, he actually loves peeling tomatillos, which is a really good thing because I hate peeling tomatillos.
Drop it.
Yep, you dropped it.
I
Keeping him busy in this rain. Oh, Lord. So, first thing is first, we are going to make the masa, or the masa for the tamales. And I'm going to be using the maseca to make the tamales, but I'm also going to be using masa already preparada that I bought. I never used it before. So I bought this masa already preparada, and I have never had this before. I usually always go to either the Vallarta, but lately I have not. Vallarta's too damn far for me, so I'd just rather not go over there. But anyways, so I got this one. We're going to try this one out. And I'm only going to do half, because the other half I'm going to do for like sweet tamales. It had a funky smell. But anyways, I am going to be showing you guys this recipe on my TikTok, so do not forget to follow me on TikTok. It's really hard for me to record with this camera in my little kitchen because it just doesn't capture, like, it's just not working. So go check out this recipe on TikTok. I'm going to start making tamales. So I know, like, let me turn that off. So I know old school people are gonna be like super disappointed and mad at me. They're gonna be like, oh my gosh, she's using a machine to make tamales. Yes, queen. Work smarter, not harder. I whip my lard in the machine, and I also do the masa on the machine because I don't want to get my nails dirty. That's one of them, and because it is quicker and more efficient. So that's what we're gonna do it on the machine. What else, queen? I am also recording, like I told you, I am also recording for my TikTok. I do record from my phone. So yeah, we're gonna whip this. We're gonna add some ice cubes so that the lard doesn't melt, doesn't lose its form, and the tamal can be nice and fluffy. So do you guys remember the other time that I was complaining about doing my Cyber Monday shopping and my product wasn't supposed to get here till January? Well, it got here. I got Joseph a new tablet. because the one he has is freaking broken. Like, I don't know how he broke it, but that was like his first little tablet that he's ever had, and he broke it. So we got him a glass protector. We also got him like a special little case for it. So we're gonna have Jose set it up for him, and we're gonna surprise him with his new tab. Why didn't anybody tell me that my lens was disgusting? It was so freaking dirty. Like, I saw how dirty it was and I cleaned it right now, and I feel like, oh, queen, I'm looking nice and clear. Everything, like, you can see everything now. But anyways, all right guys, so we semi have this masa already. These are gonna be tamales verdes with calabacitas, spinach, chicken, cheese. That is what this is going to be. I'm just waiting on the green sauce to be ready. I had to call reinforcements. Joseph is fired, and we have Josiah helping us with the red sauce. We have the green sauce boiling, so we can start with the tamal arrangement, queen.
Right.
The red light, yes. Can you say? All right, guys, this is gonna be it. Well, this is gonna be the end of the vlog.
Wow.
I have my little setup right here because I'm gonna set my little ass down, make my freaking tamales before Joseph eats all the damn cheese. I am so freaking tired. My back hurts. I haven't even showered. I still look freaking sticky from the gym, but I cannot stop right now. What else? I lost the camera for a minute. I thought Joseph took it, but I think I hid it from him, so he wouldn't take it. My battery is about to die, so don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell, follow me on everything, and that is it, guys. Bye.